Welcome to accounting class. Today topic on objectives of accounting. To know the objectives of accounting, we should follow these steps. First step, systematic recording. Systematic recording we have to have in accounting. It is a major objective in accounting, systematic recording. Second point, ascertain results. We should have results such as example trial balance and profit and loss account. Third one, we ascertain financial position, that is balance sheet. Balance sheet shows the financial position of the business. Fourth point, providing required data to users so that users can understand the status of the business, providing required data to users. Fifth point, to know the solvency positions. Solvency positions means assets over liabilities. If assets are increasing, the business in solvency position. If liabilities are more than assets, it is insolvency. We should to know the solvency position. It is one of the objective of accounting. The next comes the functions of accounting. Functions of accounting. Measurement is the first one. Measurement, it measures the performance of a company over a period of financial year. It is said that from April 1st to 31st, next year 31st March is the measurement of the financial period. And second point, forecasting. Forecasting is prediction, projection or prediction. It is future. We have to know based on the part of the data forecasting, we will have one of the function of accounting. And third one, decision making. Decision making means uses of financial information. Users means internal and external there will be, and uses of financial information, decision making, it is one of the function of accounting. And fourth one, comparison and evaluation. Comparison and evaluation means accounting information presented in a format simply company follows, facilitate which company is better. Fifth one, control. Control means weakness within the organization. It has such as branches like costing, overhead, budgets, respect to operations. Control is one of the function of accounting. And next one, government regulation. Government regulation, providing information to government bodies prescribed so. Government regulation is one of the function of accounting. These are the main functions of accounting. By this you can understand the objects of accounting and functions of accounting. Thank you.